This is a 2N I took on trade with that 851 diesel, or a 9N I should say. It's a 9N. The young man I got it from said, yeah, I think it needs a tune-up and the carburetor needs work. Well, you know, first thing I do is I put a battery on it and I started it up, and I drove it this last weekend and it starts and runs great. Choke it. Maybe it doesn't want to start for me. It sounds like I need to put a battery charger on it. Oh, she wants to go now. Let's see if she'll go. It also needs the belt tightened. So let me pull the choke here and that thing, I've been running and driving it. The tires hold air, they're not fantastic, but I need to tighten that belt, charge the battery, and it's ready to go.